Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. In today's short pronunciation video, we're going to look at this vowel sound here. It's I. So you can see, can't you, and you can hear that this is another moving vowel sound. I. So I'm starting off from A, which is the same place that I make happy or apple, A. Then I pull my tongue up towards I, which is the vowel of sit and busy. I don't want to pull my tongue back at any time. If I start pulling my tongue back, I end up something with a little bit more like oi. We want I. Really forward sound here. I. Now, there's quite a few ways that we can spell this sound. Of course there is. We can spell it first of all, I, consonant, E. Kids call this, the children call this the magic E or a split digraph, but it's I, consonant, E. Okay, so for example, we can have time, ride, fine, slide. We can have I-G-H. For example, night, light, high, sight. We can have it just with the letter I, especially when this comes before a consonant. For example, find, child, kind, spider. We can have just the letter Y, for example, cry, sky, type, cycle. We can spell it with IE, for example, tie, die, pie. We can spell it UY, for example, buy, guy, EI, for example, height, and EYE, which is just a completely irregular word on its own, I, this thing here, I. Down below this video, in the caption, there is a link for you to download a free guide to all the vowel sounds of British English. It's absolutely free. It's my gift for you to help you out as you learn and master these tricky English sounds. So make sure you go and check that out. And I will see you in the next video. Very well done and thank you for being here.